Ulefone unveiled the Tab A10 Pro last November, and it is learned that the brand will be launching the Tab A9 Pro alongside the Tab A9 Pro kits. The Tab A9 Pro is going to be powered by Helio G91 SoC running Android 15 with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, which will be expanded by 2TB by microSD card slot. It has 8.68-inch display with 340 into 800 pixel resolution with 90Hz refresh rate, 400 nits of peak brightness with only Widevine L1 support. It will feature 3 cameras, 8 megapixel camera on the front, 12 megapixel primary camera on the rear with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a field of view of 136.5 degrees. That is actually massively wide. It has a small 5040 mAh battery powered by USB Type-C port. It has LTE connectivity, dual stereo speakers, 3.5 headphone jack. It's 7.9mm thick. It weighs 326 grams. It's coming in marble white and galaxy blue colors and is priced at only $99.99 or 8,730 rupees. It's a 4G tablet only, and it's actually very cheap for the price, but there will be no update for it. Then you go for the kids model, you will get it in a colorful case for kids with dual tip stylus and child friendly mode. It's unclear what this mode means. It's the same tablet, but it weighs 516 grams. It comes in a pink and blue color and it costs $10 more.